Let's take a look at how a product is created in Sembrent and how we can produce that product in multiple ways when it's time to create an inventory lot. We're going to create a product for a variety of dill called bouquet that will be sold in 4-inch round containers. After clicking the New button, we do a quick search for bouquet. We select the dill bouquet that appears in the search result and click Next. Here we can select the number of dill bouquet plants we want in each cell of the end product. We're going to use the default value of 1 and proceed to the next step. Now we select the container that the end product comes in, the flat if one is used, its UPC, its tag, and its category. Now we can either save the product and add a plan later, or we can create one now. We're going to create one now. We'll give it the title Machine Sow Early because this is the plan we'll use when we create a lot from this early in the growing season. We enter an expected survival rate of 80%, select the method we'll use to start the product, choose a starting container, and enter the duration we expect before we perform the next step. When we move to the next step, we can see that Sembrent Nursery Solutions knows it has to be a transplant. We'll select the container we'll be transplanting into and enter how many days it'll be before we expect to perform the next step, and we advance to the next and final step. Sembrent knows that this is the release for sale step because the product was transplanted to its end container in the previous step. We click Save and we see the details of the new product. In the top 2 sections on the left of the screen, we see the product name, the number of retail products in a cell group, the UPC, the wholesale price per individual resale unit, and the tag information. The next section down shows the plan we created for it. Here we see the steps that will be used to produce the end product, the duration of each step, the parts used in each step, and a button that we can click on to display details of that step. It's easy to see at a glance which parts are used in each step by the icons. In this transplant step, for instance, we see that it will use a tag, a flat or tray, and a container. The single $sign indicates this is the release for sale step. Now let's say that this product is grown at different times of the year and requires different production plans for different growing conditions. Since we already created the early production plan, we're going to add a plan that's suited for late production. We name the plan accordingly, assign it an expected survival rate, and enter the info on how the product will be produced in this plan. As you can see, we now have 2 plans for producing this product, one for early in the season and one for late in the season. With Sembrent, you can create as many plans with different options as you want for a single product. Please be sure to check out our other videos that show how easy your nursery management can be with Sembrent Nursery Solutions. Until next time!